What's up guys, welcome back to Import Wizard's latest competition for this amazing Nissan Silvia PS13. Check it out. Guys, how amazing does this thing look? Full Origin Lab kitted. It's an original GTR Red. Absolutely immaculate condition. Some nice smoked lens DMAX tail lights there. That's also a DMAX lip spoiler on the edge of the boot. Look at how nice it just matches the kit there, the back bumper coming out. Unreal. And a tidy little FUJITSUBO muffler there just on the end. Nice note out of that. How sick are the wheels as well? I mean, they are a TE37 replica, but you have to say they do look really good on this thing. Of course, the OG brick OEM headlights there and the OEM indicators, just really hard to beat that setup on a PS13. Quick look inside then. So this is probably the nicest seats you can actually get for a PS13, just with the hole there, slightly more of a bucket than any of the other factory ones. Just really nice all round there. All the interiors there, something that's pretty rare for an S13 as well. Back seats all nice and clean. Parcel shelf all intact, something that's quite rare on these as well. There is a few cracks on the dash there, but I mean it's really common with them all. Tidy old school doubled in Kenwood there. TOMEI steering wheel, looks awesome. All nice and clean. Nice original Silvia floor mats there as well. And your key. Let's look in the back. Lovely and clean. Somebody's even left the stickers that go at the bottom of the quarter panel there on both sides if you wanted to put those back on. Okay, onto the bonnet. Hard to beat the trusty SR20DET. Aftermarket manifold there, wrapped up. Intake, front mount intercooler. Got a little catch can there as well. Running absolutely 100%. All nice and solid. Okay, quick look at the underbody. All original panels, no accident repairs, amazing. To be quite honest guys, as far as PS13s go, this is really as good as it gets. Really rare from the auctions even in Japan. Combined with the fact this is an original GTR Red, at a guess I could probably say it's well into the double figures for the amount of these that's even left in existence. If you fancy your chances at winning this incredible machine, you can buy an entry from the link in the description of this video. Guys, all the very best of luck from Import Wizards, and I'll see you at the draw. Thanks.